In this video, I'll show you how to set up the showcase mode on your PS5 Pro. Now all you have to do is on the homepage, simply select the Welcome Hub and then navigate to this settings icon and select it. And then from here, the first option should be showcase mode. So select that and then you should see a preview of what it's all about. So when your PS5 is idle, it will hide widgets and show a full view of your Welcome Hub background. So simply select that. And then there are other options that you can choose from. So you can choose the start period. So you can either choose 15 seconds up to 5 minutes. So let me just put 15 seconds. You can also choose to show the name and the date if you prefer. And also you can choose to show the clock. So once you've set up everything, all you have to do is go back. And then once your PS5 is idle for about around 15 minutes or 15 seconds, sorry, it will now bring up the showcase mode. So that's basically it on how to set up the showcase mode on your PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.